Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in Jetpack Compose playlist. So today you'll learn how to design a login screen by using Compose. So we'll dive more deeper into the modifiers, like we'll learn how to add an image, a text view, and the text field, a button over there in a login screen. If you want to know more deeper into the layouts, rows, and columns, then watch the previous video in the Jetpack Compose playlist. So where I have defined the basics of these Jetpack Compose, and then how to download this and Jetpack Compose, Android Studio or TickFox. Then watch the previous videos in my playlist. Then by the end of this video, you will be able to create a login screen UI using a Jetpack Compose. So now I'll quickly start. So here we'll add a composable, and then we'll create a function with a name login login UI, and then we'll add box layout where so box is a layout that stacks every child on top of each other. So we have other layouts also like column, row, like column layout stacks children in a vertical sequence and the row layout stacks children in horizontal sequence. So you want to know more about this column and row, then watch the previous video on my playlist. So as of now we'll choose this box. Okay. We need to add a modifier equal to modifier. You need to choose a compose modifier. But fill max size. So to fill the maximum size of overall screen, we'll use this. Then we need to add content alignment, where alignment will be open center. Okay. Inside this box, we'll add another box layout for the image. So for adding the image, we'll add another box modifier, white modifier, fill max size, content alignment, align will align to the top center. So here, okay. So you need to add an image. We'll be adding like val. Image will be like login image. You need to add a painter resource where ID will be R dot drawable, where you have stored your file locally. You need to import this. So press Alt Enter. Your login file name. I have given this login image over here. And then inside this box, we'll add image. To add an image, you need to do this image painter content description. Okay, you can add description also, and then modifier alignment, so everything over there, color. So we'll add this image over here. So where this is this login image, need to add here content description, we can keep, this is a login, right? So we'll go with login. And then, so after this, we will add a, so below the image, we need to add a text view. So for the text view, we'll add a spacer, where spacer modifier equal to, where modifier will add a padding of, we'll add a padding of 10 dp, for example. Okay, 10.dp. You need to import this. I'll send it. Okay. Then after adding a spacer, we need to add a column. As I said, column layout stacks children in a vertical sequence. So for the text view, we need to, it should be in a column wise arrangement. So we'll add a column. Okay, you need to choose this. So for column, we need to have vertical arrangement and horizontal alignment. So about these things I have explained in the previous video. So go and check the video. It's there in the Jetpack Compose playlist. Okay, we'll add a column. Okay, and add a horizontal alignment, where we need to align this in center horizontally. So we'll add center horizontally, and then vertical alignment. Vertical alignment will be arrangement dot will add at the top of this box. Okay, then we'll add modifier. Modifier. We need to add width and height for the text view, and for overall column we need to add width and height. So we'll add fill maximum width. So this box should be, and the height should be, height will be like, height we can go with 0.60 floating point. Okay, then for the box we need to add the corner edges, right? So we can add a clip over here for the corner. And then see, so for the clip we will add a rounded corner shape. So here it goes, rounded corner shape, where we need to add, see, corner radius. We'll add bottom start. We'll add bottom end to 30 dp. Then bottom start to 30 dp. We'll add top end, corner edge, 30 dp, and then top start to 30 dp. So okay, then we have added this. Okay, and then we need to have a background, right? So for the background we'll go background, and then background color we'll add a white background over here. And then a padding for this box should be like, we'll keep a 10 dp. Okay. And then inside this column, we'll add a text view. We'll add a text. You can see you can add a text string and then color, font size, font style, font weight, font family, letter spacing, decoration, alignment, and everything whatever given over here. You can do all those things by using this text. Okay, by adding a text, we'll go with what sign in text. And then we'll add the style. Style will be text style, a text style. We can add font. See, we can add font weight. For example, font weight, you can see we will add a bold font. So font, so here we can add the bold, and then we'll choose a font size. Font size like you need to add text unit. Text unit will be like 30, and then text unit type. And then we'll add a space. A modifier equal to modifier dot padding. So we'll use 10 dp for the padding. After this, we'll add another column for text fields, for an email text field and a password text field. So for a column, horizontal alignment, where alignment of center will align center horizontally. Where inside this column we'll add outlined text field, where we'll add the value like email, and then do the stylings over here. Okay, so for the value we'll add a value email value. I remember we need to add mutable state of mutable state of so import is done, and then we'll add another for password. Okay, done. And then add the email value over here. So on value change, we'll add an email value, and then we can add a label to the string. The label will be like text, text where text equals, we'll add email. Email or else email. We'll add a placeholder. Placeholder will be our email address. Okay, text. And then this should be a single line. Set the single line to true as it's a boolean, and then finally add modifier where modifier to fill maximum width. Modifier dot fill maximum width to, we say, 0.8 floating point. Then done, and then we'll add a spacer between the email and a password fields where modifier dot padding will be 10 dp, and then add another outline text field. We'll copy paste this over here, and we'll add password. Change it to password value and password. Okay, and the text to password. Add a spacer with the same padding. We'll add a button over here. Button. Okay. Button on click. So we'll do that later on. So we'll add a button design. We'll add a modifier. Modifier dot fill maximum width, the same width which we have given for text field, and the button height will be like, we can give it to 50 dp. Okay, and the text for this button will be Under this button, we'll add the text. Okay. The text will be login. And the font size, we'll use a font size where we need to add the text unit for the font size. We'll add float value to 28 and the text unit type will be SP. After completing over there, after this button, we'll add a spacer. Space modifier to modifier dot adding to 10 dp, and then we'll add a text to create an account. So we'll add a text, create an account, and then a little space in the enter. So we'll again add spacer. We'll get some 20 dp over. Yeah, we need to add the login function over here in this main activity. We'll add login UI and the login function in the set content. Oh, and then now finally when we run this, you can see image view, sign in text, and text field for email address, text field for password, and a button for login where you can it will be editable email address, password, and create an account. We redirect to a register screen when we click this create an account. So yeah, finally this is the output. That it's a pretty simple and easy. So in the next video, we'll go with the register screen, where sign up screen, where you'll be having a email, password, your name, etc. etc. So that's it for today. So I hope you'll keep watching these series, and I wish you an awesome day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.